Yes, people, just please subscribe to YouTube channel. Just please. Just hit us subscribe and like the video comment. Just hit us. Please subscribe.
See the people get two bird, three bird now, but two of them are man. So I carry them back. Finally see two of them are man. So as I look on the head, I have camera the people. Yeah, camera. You don't get a better view. Yeah, see there. Just look on the head. On the one the head over there so. Look on one head. But look on which one the head. Just on the head them. The man one head big and the woman one. You see it so. So that's how you know when them are man and woman. So man one head big and the man one head big. You see it so. Man, a man to my left. To my left. Yeah. See one turn back you know that a woman one. Yeah, man. So I carry back one of man on them. I want people go buy still no but they didn't really know which one a woman or a man. So just grab cheer them. So they watch how which one a crew or which one a crew. Yeah, man. So two of them crew. But I will catch it on another day when them a crew. You see it? See there? Just throw some over feed today. France said they hungry. Look at me feed them good yesterday, so we just throw some one over feed it today. But then consume. Sometimes one them greedy too. So and see this over this too. You can see it good. See water it is the same way. In this over this so. See this over this on pot. But then I start later to see it so. Yeah man. I see it again people catch a rooster. Rooster wild people fight, the rooster will fight. Shouldn't catch him. See, some cool me making team. Making team. So I got team in my rubbing down and everything. Like me rubbing down I just touch him, flip him over and chain him. But I not really can go fight him. I just want him team. And just go on the end them and look calm. So when I come and he can come on my foot. Come on my foot easy. You see it so. Yeah man. But if you don't want to see them bird back again when I'm later, I don't know. Subscribe, like the video, and comment. Comment same way if you don't want to see them bird them. So I'm glad for them breed. So when them breed up, we can cook one or two of them. See by look. Okay, and good view. We have a good view. Because he can't go side the mesh, so it sees up. By looking now, look on them. I one alone now make a and this one come there because he want to jump him so. I care one. You see one to my left. Now move. I care back and he not do nothing. See one thing right. Because he active. We cup him fast so. They don't enter there. So we know them. So the one tail long and one. See box and carry them. 4 box. Cut up the box with the scissors. A 4 apartment they dip on the box. I'm cutting and take out one. And see 4 there. In the set but you get near rotten. Spoil. So me dash egg them. So on the roaster to them. On the blood up, the rooster blood up. Can't really show him still in blood up. I see rooster blood him up the coil yesterday. See rooster blood him up yesterday. But people have a sting shot on me, so she was gone. See how apple up in a tree. Apple that no man. Apple. Apple this one. Apple up in the tree. Apple up in the tree. Apple up. So subscribe and like the video. See you later. And comment.